Best deals.
1. Microfiber Ceiling Duster is made of high-quality material, which is sturdy, lightweight, soft and easy to use. The outstanding craftsmanship design of our extendable duster can protect your furniture and ceiling from scratches. Feather Duster Kit is very suitable for cleaning furniture, ceilings, ceiling fans, stairs, windowsills, cobwebs, also ensures efficient cleaning on both flat and narrow surfaces. The double-head cleaning tool with an adjustable telescopic pole allows for easy and efficient dusting in hard-to-reach areas. Duster with extension pole is a versatile and adjustable tool that allows you to easily clean hard-to-reach surfaces. Its reusable design is specifically designed for furniture cleaning, making it a must-have tool for any household. Both ultra-fine dust collectors and ultra-fine dust collectors can be bent to any degree to achieve efficient cleaning. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Kulfi Mold. You don't need an ice cream making machine to prepare frozen ice cream. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key type ice candies, creams at a time. Made in India product with 100% food grade and BPA free material. Because for us, your health is the most important requirement. This feature also helps reduce waste with an eco-friendly, reusable design. Ice cream molds are designed to make drip-free ice creams and give a clean, no-mess experience. Molds keep your fingers and clothes free from sticky drips. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Perfect for making yummy frozen desserts like umbrella-shaped ice cream, gola, ice candies, kulfi, juice sticks, frozen coffee and many more. Set is designed to make drip-free kulfi and give a clean and mess-free experience. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cold Press Slow Juicer. Uses low speed, 55 rpm, to squeeze fruits and vegetables, ensuring no important fiber, vitamins and minerals are damaged from heat and processing. This kind of juice extraction prevents oxidation and help you get real tasting in natural juice. The small, space-saving design of the slow juicer helps you to save counter space in your kitchen without compromising on the end results, that is, nutrient-rich juices. Designed with a reverse motor action, mostly not found in conventional juicers. This feature helps clean any pulp blockages and also ensures a better extraction process. 130W motor, equipped with a higher motor power than most juicers in the same range, so that any ingredient you put in the appliance is juiced fully. Only dry pulp is left behind and your nutrition-rich delicious juice is ready to consume. You can easily assemble and disassemble the machine for a thorough cleaning. The separate pulp outlet and juice jars prevent any kind of mess on the kitchen counter. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Lunch Box. Comes with a split partition design, allowing you to separate different foods like fruits, salads, and main dishes. This design helps you maintain a nutritious, balanced diet by avoiding flavor mixing, keeping your meals fresh, clean, and perfectly organized. Made from high-quality food-grade polypropylene, PP, this lunch box is BPA-free and completely safe for direct food contact. It's durable, reusable, and designed for long-term use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tumbler. Features advanced leak-proof technology with a secure, tight sealing lid, perfect for enjoying hot or cold drinks without spills, wherever you go. Double wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot for up to 6 hours and cold for up to 12 hours, perfect as your all-season coffee or water tumbler. Made from BPA-free, food-grade materials, it's designed for safe, worry-free hydration every day. Each box includes a stylish tumbler, leak-proof lid, reusable stainless steel straw, making it the perfect practical gift for both men and women. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Clothes Folder. It only takes a few simple steps and a few seconds to fold clothes and towels. Even children will want to use this folding board to organize their clothes. Make boring tidying up work easy and fun. Very suitable for travel, it can be easily put into a suitcase, and the clothes can be perfectly folded during vacation, so that the clothes are no longer wrinkled in a ball. Designed with high quality, strong and flexible PP resin material, the folding board is durable and will not break over time. Clothes face down tile, the outer beyond board sleeve hem to adduction, stacked clothing board about 2 clothes inwardly folded twice. Set off the chip, then up the clothes off, and next make the weight of the stack to make clothes flat, flip back to fold clothes board. Folded clothes concentrated on the top of the folded garment board, then over the whole dress and complete the steps. Product link is given in the 6th link. 7. Chopping board. Each board is tested to comply with safety regulations, food grade and food safe, wash in the dishwasher time after time, boards will not break down over time. Each 11 rings cutting board features a reversible design that allows you to chop on both sides to help prevent flavor mingling. Boards also feature deep juice grooves on one side to help prevent countertop mess by catching runoff juices. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant rubber border helps to prevent slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. Combined with the durable rubber handle, the boards are designed to stay in place, even while cutting and chopping tough ingredients. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Trolley. Maximize your kitchen space with this 5-tier vegetable storage stand, perfect for organizing onions, potatoes, fruits, and kitchen essentials in one place. Designed for effortless movement, this vegetable trolley features smooth rolling wheels, allowing you to shift it anywhere in your home or kitchen. Made from high-quality steel, this vegetable rack for kitchen ensures stability and long-lasting durability, making it a sturdy kitchen rack stand for daily use. Use it as a kitchen vegetable storage rack, fruit stand, pantry organizer, or household trolley to store everything from groceries to kitchenware conveniently. This onion potato storage container is rust-resistant, easy to wipe clean, and quick to assemble, making it a hassle-free vegetable storage stand for any home. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Oil Maker Machine. Experience unmatched oil extraction efficiency with the Oil Maker machine. Using advanced cold press technology, it maximizes oil extraction from a wide range of seeds and nuts, ensuring minimal waste and maximum output. Say goodbye to inefficient methods and enjoy a streamlined oil-making process that delivers superior quality every time. Perfect for home use, it's a must-have for those seeking fresh, pure oil with minimal effort. Crafted with precision, our Oil Maker machine guarantees consistent, high-quality oil output every time. Featuring a powerful 600W motor and robust, food-grade stainless steel construction, it ensures long-lasting durability and reliability. The carefully calibrated components work in harmony, providing a smooth and efficient oil extraction process, whether you are pressing sesame, peanuts, or other seeds. Expect optimal performance and quality with every use. Enjoy effortless oil extraction with the Vishwas Oil Maker machine. Designed for ease of use, it features an intuitive interface that makes oil making simple, even for beginners. With a simplified digital temperature controller and clear instructions, there's no need for specialized knowledge. Just add your seeds or nuts, press a button, and let the machine do the rest. Whether you are a first-timer or an expert, this machine provides a hassle-free, efficient experience. Product link is given in the 9th link.